Subaru has unveiled its first ever S-Series vehicle in the United States with the launch of the STI S209 at the Detroit Auto Show. The hardcore model packs an estimated 341 horsepower from a tuned version of Subi's EJ25 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder. Although you most likely won't be seeing one of these on your streets because the company is only bringing around 200 of them to the US. The STI thoroughly overhauls the engine to push its output. An HKS turbo replaces the standard part, and the upgraded unit packs a larger turbine and compressor. The setup also allows for a maximum boost of 18 psi instead of the normal 16.2 psi. Inside the power plant, there are forged pistons and connecting rods that are stronger and reduce rotating mass. The intake system has revised ducting, and a control on the steering wheel activates the intercooler water spray. A high-flow fuel pump and larger injectors cope with the tuned engine's greater need for gasoline. Hand-polished headers provide a shine under the hood. To get rid of the bad air, a new exhaust has 17% less resistance and weighs just 4.1 pounds. The only available gearbox is a 6-speed manual that routes to Subi's famous all-wheel drive system. The STI recalibrates the driving modes to reflect the drivetrain revisions as well. The S209 reflects its increased power on the outside through a heavily revised body kit. It adds wider fenders that broaden the body by 1.7 inches over a standard WRX STI. The extra width lets the STI expand the front and rear track by 0.6 inches. For even more grip, the Performance Division then covers the 19-inch BBS forged wheels with a set of 26/35 Dunlop GT600A summer-only tires. Dunlop specifically developed these rubber tires for the S209 so that the sedan was able to offer over 1.0 Gs of lateral grip. A flexible front strut tower bar and front and rear draw stiffeners add extra rigidity to the body. When the time comes to eventually slow down, the S209 has a set of Brembo brakes comprising cross-drilled rotors, 6-piston front calipers, 2-piston rear calipers, and high-friction pads. There are some very minor tweaks to the S209's interior. Drivers will grip a flat-bottom steering wheel with ultra-suede upholstery. Occupants in the front sit in thickly bolstered Recaro seats with silver center inserts. The S209 will go on sale in late 2019. Subaru will announce the price closer to launch, although hardcore Subi fans will likely pay whatever the company will ask to own the most hardcore STI ever in the United States. Tell us in the comments below, are you going to try and get your hands on one of the ultra-limited production models? Drop a like on the video and don't forget to subscribe for more STI S209 videos.